This 21st century, the technologies is fast growing, right? And this is the change, lot of the global, many economics, many things developing, new things coming in, material things, there's a lot of. So, so I think many people already feel, I think Western, why the Western many developed the country, they started the Buddhism, because they have the, we not enough only material things that cannot really, life is meaningful. So we need to developing, how much developing the material things, at the same time spiritual part of developing. And that's very necessary. I think animal carry things one. And this right side and left side must have a balance. If this one times heavier lead, then it will fall down, you know. Similar to this, I think that this world also balance than living, you know. The earth is like this. Our lifestyle also must have balance. If too much, then a problem, you know. We must balance. This is the we need it. So I think many West developed country and the history look back in, I think since 1960s, and look, I think the more material developed countries, they need more Buddhism practicing, spiritual part practicing. So now 21st century, I think more will be developing things, and I think we need to finding life is meaningful. Life is more peaceful, happiness. That is, I think, that everybody is seeking. So, in order to do this in peace, harmony, happiness, meaningful life, then you must have spiritual development. The world have the many different religions, and that is the very necessary, because this is really just historically and culturally. So there are many different religions. Like you know, I think the world look is whole world. The most biggest tradition is Christians traditions. You know. Whether it's the Catholic or Protestant or Russian Orthodox or it's most the populations. It's not most people, their culture and they need these things. Then the Muslims also, Hinduism, Judaism, many Buddhism things, you know. All Buddhism, they have, I think, compassion. They're lot talking about compassions. Do some good deed, you know. From this time, although they have different philosophy, or I think this is not important things. Our mainly goal is the way life must good heart, you know, harmony, love, compassion. This kind, I think, every religion is there. They talk about this. At this point, you cannot criticize any other religions. If criticize is Buddhism, somebody criticizes, this is the fall down, the 16th rule from the Tantric. You're not allowed to criticize other things. Buddha himself also said, his teaching is not something, he didn't say this is right, and this is up to you. You to like. So you look it like whether it's right or wrong. So you have to analyze yourself. And like goldsmith, he said, this gold is really true or not, you have to burn it, you have to cut it, you have to merge some stone, then whether it's how is the things. This is you have to yourself analyze. If there's right things, then you accept it. So from the Buddhist point like this, if you're not, you think it's not good, then you drop it. If you think it's good, this is not good, then you go. Yeah, that's the Buddha's day, he said. Yeah. Well, Buddhism, they have big questions. This is a big subject. Maybe I will make very short. Buddhism, maybe Buddha, that's name. Buddha, maybe English in Buddha, the thinking, 2555 years the Buddha passed away, so the Buddha's born, that's Buddha Shakyamuni, just only mind Buddha. When you say Buddha, you can remind us Buddha Shakyamuni. But to translate into the Tibetan word of Buddha, and then two words, Sangye. Sangye, the Buddha meaning. And these two words have different little bit meaning. It's also explained about Buddhism. So I may say the two words is Sang as a Sang, Ragadagaya as a Gye, two words, Sangye, two words. Sang, what does it mean? Sun is supposed we are in the sky, in cloudy, very thick cloudy, and then you cannot see in the the sun and moon and stars, impossible you can see. When you remove this cloudy, then sun is you can appear and develop. So that sun is meaning is clarified, like cloud clarified. Is at clarified, and then the sun would be arise, showing and developing. Is appear. Similarly, our own negative thoughts, negative karma, ignorance, like cloudy, clarified, and the Buddha nature of our own, like sun, would be awaken, assure, and appear. So that's the words explained about the Buddha, Sangye. And then this you talking about Buddha Shakyamuni, and this person, 2555 years he passed away, and this Shakyamuni was born in the Lumbini, so he is complete purified, all the negative karmas, and the perfect attained the wisdom. So this is the call Buddha Shakyamuni himself. Now we're talking about Buddhism. So that's Buddhism practice mainly. We have to purify all our negative karma. Then you have become pure, and that's the Buddha. So we have to work whatever different many methods. The main goal is purified with all the negative karma, negative thoughts. Then we develop in the past step. That's called liberation. That's the Buddhism.